Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make an I miss you card or make a monster with tissue box. So first I'm gonna show you how to make a card that you want to give someone when school restarts or when the stay-at-home order is over. So first you need a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be colored. And you're going to fold the paper in half like this. So now it's like a card that I can open. Okay, now that I folded it in half, I'm going to open it up again. And I'm going to draw something on the front side of the card. So I want to make a miss you sign and a flower here, and I'm going to cut a circle so I can draw my face here. So when they open up the card, they can see my face. So what I'm going to do is to use a pencil to really lightly draw my composition, the arrangement of different subjects inside my drawing. So as you can see, I'm drawing this circle really lightly here so that I can erase it later very easily. If you can't draw a circle, you can also trace something that's round, such as a paper towel roll or something. And then I'm going to write miss you here. So for the miss you letter, I want to incorporate heart mark in the miss you letter as well. So I'm going to draw very lightly with a pencil M with a heart mark at the end. So now I'm going to draw, want the heart to be a little bit closer to here. And then this part to be more round. So it's more like a heart shape. You can fix it. And then this is I. And after I, I'm going to write S, S. And then from M, I'm going to connect M into U. So I also want to incorporate a heart mark on my U by here, by drawing like this. And then, so this is a contour line writing actually, because it's a continuous line. Miss you, dot, dot, dot. Okay, and then for the circle here, I'm going to draw a flower. So now that I drew everything, I am going to trace it with a marker, or if you don't have marker, color pencil. So red and green are complementary color pair. So red will stand out really well on green background. I'm going to trace this here. And I'm going to make it a little bit more trace, make the vertical side more thick, like this, in the heart. I. S. S. Okay, now that I traced it, I can erase my pencil line here. And I'm going to just draw the flower, color the flower here. I'm going to make some decoration. Okay, I'm going to color this. Oh. Yeah, this is, okay. Oh, why should I color this one in red maybe? So erasing the pencil line. Okay, now that I have this side, I'm going to cut this open into a circle, a hollow circle. But how can I cut here in the middle of the paper? What I do is I fold it a little bit in half. So this is half of the circle. I'm going to use my scissors to cut a little bit here, and I can stick my blade in, and then I can cut the rest here. Okay, so now that I have this hollow here, I'm going to draw my face on this paper so that people can see my face. Okay, I'm going to draw an oval shape for my face, and then I'm going to draw my ears and my neck and shoulder here. And then I'm going to add my hair. My hair grew longer because I couldn't go get a haircut outside. Then my eyebrow, my eyes. I use 2 dots to represent my nose and my mouth. And I wear glasses, so I'm going to add my glasses in the end. Okay. So now when people open it up, they can see my face, and I can write something for my friend or a family member that I miss. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a monster with a tissue box and some glue and some other paper. Miss Zhao don't have glue in her house, so she will just use tape. But if you have glue, you can use glue at home. Also, you can think about what superpower the monster have before making them. So let's say if my monster can fly, then maybe I'll draw some wings or make some wings for the monster. So think about what function they have, and that will change the form of your monster. So what you need is a tissue box. I have this small square tissue box, but if you have those rectangular long ones, that's fine as well. As some have. I also have some magazine papers for me to cut, or any papers, tape or glue, and scissors. So my monster can protect me from coronavirus, let's say. Actually, they can't, but let's just say they can. And I'm going to make a mask for my monster. And I'm going to make, so this is the mouth of the monster. And this, I'm going to make some eyes and some masks. And I'm going to say that the monster can fly, so I can draw some wing on the side. So this is going to be my design, and I'm going to draw initial design here for the eyes and the wings, monster wings here and here. Okay, now I'm going to use my catalog paper to cut out some eyes. Doesn't have to be real eyes, it can be anything that's round. So let's see, here's a circle that I found. I'm going to cut this out. Also, a monster's eyes doesn't have to be circle, it can be triangle, it can be any shape you want. Okay, so I'm going to tape this, my first eye here with tape. So I'm making a double-sided tape like this. So it almost like you're making a ring here. This is the sticky side of the tape. So now I stick this on one side and then stick this on the other side of the tape. And so I have my double-sided tape to stick. And you can use my pen or marker pen or color pencil to draw the eyeball. Here. Okay. Now I'm going to just cut out another circle here. Make my other eye. And draw an eyeball. And I'm going to make a mask by cutting out my catalog paper here. And I'm going to cut out some strips for the mask as well. Okay, now I'm going to tape all of them in. Again, I'm making this double-sided tape here. I'm going to take this something. And then, oh, actually, I think I can draw the string of the mask instead of cutting it. So here, I drew the string for the mask. And I can draw some teeth, some red teeth on the mask. You can also tape some teeth here and make it hollow if you want. But just doing this because of the function of my monster is to protect me against coronavirus. So making this teeth patterned mask for my monster. Okay. And on the side, I can color the wing. I'm gonna color the wing into blue. And color the other side, and you can make some feet or something on top of the head of the monster. Like if you have pom-pom balls, you can stick some pom-pom balls on top. So here's my monster that can protect me from coronavirus in the air while it's flying with its wing.